Turning a simple idea into a complete book can feel overwhelming, especially when you don't know where to begin or how to structure your thoughts. This video on how to turn an idea into a book breaks down the entire process into clear, manageable steps so you can move from inspiration to execution with confidence. Every great book starts as a small idea, a question, a story, a message. But what separates successful writers is their ability to develop that idea into something meaningful and structured. Instead of waiting for everything to be perfectly planned, this video encourages you to start with what you have and build as you go. You'll learn how to take your initial idea and expand it into a solid concept by identifying your core message, audience, and purpose. The video walks you through creating a basic outline that acts as a roadmap, helping you organize your chapters and key points without feeling overwhelmed. It also highlights the importance of consistency, showing you how writing a little each day can lead to big results over time. Rather than trying to write a perfect book in one go, you'll discover how to focus on progress, allowing your first draft to be imperfect while still moving forward. One of the biggest challenges writers face is losing clarity or motivation halfway through the process. That's why, in the middle of this journey, you'll see how Domino Effect Writing System can support your writing by helping you structure your ideas, track your progress, and stay focused on your goals. It provides a simple and organized system that reduces confusion, making it easier to turn scattered thoughts into a clear and cohesive book. The video also emphasizes the importance of refining your work through editing and revision. Writing a book is not just about getting words on the page, it's about shaping those words into something impactful. You'll understand how to review your content, improve clarity, and strengthen your message without getting stuck in perfectionism. This step-by-step approach ensures that you stay productive while continuously improving your work. By the end of this video, you'll realize that writing a book is not as complicated as it seems when you follow a clear process. It's about starting with a simple idea, breaking it down into smaller steps, and staying consistent until your vision becomes reality. Whether you're writing your first book or finally finishing one you've started, this guide will give you the clarity and confidence you need to take action. Your idea already has potential. Now it's time to turn it into something real, one step at a time.